Oh nah! Oh nah! Oh nah! Yo, this nigga Darko's tweaking.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Narco World, and today I become a mukbanger. All right, so I know you can't really see nothing from this angle, but if we switch to that angle, you can see all the food here. Yeah, I bought a lot of food. It's a bunch of KFC, so I don't know. I don't normally eat KFC. It's pretty fucking nasty, to be honest. But we're gonna try this here, and all right, let me be honest. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but we're gonna try it. Okay, we're gonna just simply try to eat as much as possible in front of a fucking camera from 2 different angles, and hopefully get more than 10 views. Actually, no. If this video gets more than 10 views, I'll be very surprised, because it's literally just a person eating in front of a fucking camera. Sorry, I didn't mean to get loud. Anyway, let's start. Where do you start at? Like, look at this. This is fucking insane. I have like chicken tenders and shit, mashed potatoes, french fries, fucking biscuits. Like, yellow. So what we're gonna do, you know, I'm gonna do some fucking challenges, boys. All right, you heard? We're gonna see how many fucking biscuits can we eat without drinking the agua. You feel me? So let's go. Let's get it. Biscuit number 1. Let's go. I bet this is what old people taste like. Alright, this is fucking impossible. Alright. Oh god. Alright, fuck it. Apparently they stopped selling potato wedgies and now they sell these french fries. So we're gonna try these. These bitches are not bad at all. Not even gonna cap. These are fucking fire. Over potato wedgies, I guess they're good. Fuck it. I see a lot of mukbangers use gloves and shit. I don't know. Not doing that. I feel like gloves are fucking disgusting and gross. So I'm not gonna wear gloves. People do story times, but I'm not really interested. So I'm just gonna eat. You know, it's crazy. We're literally like, I don't know, 3-4 minutes into the video, maybe, or less. And you're still watching. What's okay, watch this. You know, I'm all smart and shit, so watch the innovation. Boom, watch this. Oh yeah, take that. In the motherfucking gravy. Yo. If you didn't think I was fat before, trust me, I'm fat. Like, look at this. Oh my god, look at that. Alright. I'm gonna try the chicken tender now. Hopefully they're actually good. I don't think this is chicken. It does not taste like normal chicken. This is, I have no fucking idea. Not gonna lie, the fact that people literally do this, like, they do this for a living, bro, sign me up, bro. Mukbang approved, bro. Yo, if you guys do approve this mukbang, let me know in the comment section. Like, can I get a mukbang improve? Or like, do you improve? Approve? Improve. Approve. Do you approve? Fuck, I'm dyslexic, bro. Oh well. Okay. I don't know how the fuck people do this. I'm full as hell. But we're gonna go ahead and see what our friends on Discord think about all this fucking food.
Oh nah! Oh nah! Oh nah! Yo, this nigga Douglas tweaking.
Bro.
Oh but yo, nah, this nigga is tweaking.
Right now, bro.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Nah, bro.
Put this man in the commercials.
This man is tweaking.
Bro.
I'm about to go on TV. I'm about to go on
This
TV.
nigga busted right now, bro.
Nah, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Nah. This man is tweaking. I can't do it. He about to be on the next KFC commercial. He about to post this, bro. Nah.
Bro.
That's too much food. That's too much food. I'm fat. That's too much.
It's never too much, bro. You know?
Boy, if I did that, bro, I have diarrhea for like 3 days, bro.
My God, you only have one water bottle for that shit, bro.
Yeah, facts. How do you only have one water bottle, bro?
I had another one, but I had to drink it.
For one plate right now, bro.
Bro, I had to drink the other one. I had to. But you know, I want to get back into my culture of wherever the hell I'm from. So you know, I just gotta,
black people.
I gotta, you know, just.
Yo, I didn't know if Narco was where I'm
You're
from, bro.
weird.
Actually, kick it.
On your desk?
I don't know what culture you're from, but I'm pretty sure no one does that with mashed potatoes.
Yo, tweet just people, he's doing that shit with his hands. Nah, that's valid. That's how they do it back in the tribe. Which what the fuck? That's how they do it back in the tribe. They don't got no forks and stuff in his hands.
Bro,
You gotta lick that thing clean too.
I generally don't know how much spacing is left on my phone or computer for recording. That was their reaction though. I cannot finish no more of this. As you can see, we do have, I think we made some, okay, we made a dent here, but there's so much shit still left. If you guys want me to do a part 2 to this, maybe, I don't know, tomorrow, I don't know. If you guys want me to do a part 2, trying to finish this shit, all this damn food, and getting other people's reaction to it, let me know inside the comment section below. I'm gonna be uploading more videos of me eating because this is actually fun. But until next time, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Narco World. If you're not followed, go ahead and follow. Bye.
I'm telling you, bitch, that he like him a toilet. Walk with the Glock on the fucker of boy out with his heavy flex.